Hello guys. Today, we are gonna create this. So, let's roll the intro. Let's get started. Open up Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click on the New Project option on the opening window of it. I will name it as Dance Video. Then hit OK. Now I will import my videos into the project window that is located at the top left corner. Select the videos and drag them onto the timeline. Before we proceed to the next step, please subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. As you can see, I am here with all my videos placed in my timeline. Let's select the first video and proceed to edit it. Head to the Effects panel and search for Paint Bucket Effect. Drag and drop it on your video. You can already see its effect on the video, which may seem weird a little bit, but you can make it an interesting effect by tweaking its settings. Let me show you. Click on the video and head to Effects Control Panel. Under Paint Bucket Effect panel, you can see the option of Stroke. It has a couple of stroke and fill options with which you can play around. For the purpose of our video, let's stick with the choke option. I will keep the spread radius of 3, which will be there by default. Then I will enable keyframe for color by clicking on the stopwatch icon. Move forward the frame a little bit. Then make keyframes for both color and tolerance options. Then I will change the color of the fill. You can choose any color according to your video. Now change the tolerance value and see which tolerance suits best for your video. Tolerance determines how the nearby pixels behave by the application of Paint Bucket. Higher tolerance will spread the paint over a larger area, and vice versa. Now I will repeat the same step for 2 to 3 times over the span of the video. You can see that with proper tweaking, it can give some awesome scribble effect. Let's proceed to our next effect and video. This is the before any application of effect to it. We are going to give it a sort of time glitch effect. Select the video and head for the Effects panel. Now search for Strobe Light effect. Click and drag it on the video. It basically flashes solid colors at a given interval which you can easily change. Now head for the Effects control panel and see what we can do with it. Change the strobe period and duration as per your requirement and see what happens. You can also get a bit creative and change the strobe color. Let's see what we got. See? It's a pretty strobe effect which can be achieved so easily. Sorry, I got diverted from the video. Let's make the time glitch. In the Effects control panel, under Strobe option, choose Make Layer Transparent. It will make the strobe transparent to anything that's beneath it. Now, hold Alt key in your keyboard and drag the video downwards. It will make a copy of the video. Now go to Effects control panel and delete the Strobe Light effect. Finally, offset the lower video to some frames forward and see the magic. See? It's that easy to achieve. Before we proceed to the next video, please subscribe to my channel for more such awesome contents. So, this is before any application of effects to the video. Go to the Effects panel and search for the Emboss Effect. click and drag it to your video. Basically, we are gonna give the video a desaturated RGB split effect.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Head to the Effects Control panel. Change the direction of emboss as per your requirement, and then increase the relief value. Leave the contrast value as it is, and change the layer blending mode to color. Now, copy the video to a track below it, and delete the emboss effect from it. Also, change its blending mode to normal. You can already see the effect coming to life. Isn't it awesome? So, this is it guys. I hope you have learned something new from this tutorial. If you have any doubt regarding the steps, feel free to leave a comment below. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video.